I never thought I would be here doing this, but I enjoy it. Coming back with the experiences from industry and BOCES in general, I think that's what kind of drew me to teaching, because it was giving me a chance to give the students the same opportunities that I had.
So I've learned how to actually work with the metal. When I first walked in here, you go and you look at the mills and you look at them and you're just bewildered looking at all the stuff. But then after that, after you learn what everything does, they look so much simpler. And with the integrated ELA into math, you actually learn about the stuff that you would be using in this course, so you don't have to ask the teacher, when am I going to be using this? Because you learn about when you're going to be using it.
I think it's important to me because it's given me more skills, and it just like the community, even around all of BOCES, just means a lot to me. To me, it shows like if you put the effort into it, you're gonna get what you put into it. And I just feel like it's a good way for kids to be successful right out of high school.
So seeing the result of the hard work the students put in is rewarding. I mean, it's tangible, and these students put in the hard work. They come in day after day and work on the skills that we're trying to teach in here. And with those skills, they'll be able to take that in industry. At least that's the goal and hope.
It's helped me to realize that you need to put in the time and the work to really get what you want, but the satisfaction of putting in that time and work is like no other.